nitrogen, oxidants, and mercury and aerosol distribution sources and sinks. There it is.
NOMADSS is a big field project to look at pollutants in the atmosphere.
That combines the objectives from a couple of different projects, really focused on nitrogen, aerosols, and mercury.
One of the things we're missing is our observations. And so I was part of a team proposing that we actually put this aircraft campaign together to gather more information, direct measurements of mercury in the atmosphere.
We have started studying mercury in the past 10, 15 years, and we don't know what happens to mercury in the atmosphere that well.
It is a pollutant. It's harmful to humans, and it's how it reacts and moves within the atmosphere is relatively unknown. So getting those measurements and being able to compare it to models and everything would greatly help.
Well, NOMADSS is important because it looks at the climate and health implications of air pollutants in the southeast U.S.
You know, as we think about how to regulate air pollutants, if we don't understand the details of the chemical processes that occur in the atmosphere, we aren't always sure if we're regulating the right compounds. In our case, looking at mercury, we know that there's reductions in mercury. The power plants are starting to increase their control technologies for mercury and start to scrub mercury. We can see if they're actually cleaning up as quickly as they say they are, or which power plants haven't cleaned up, to try to understand the chemistry and the chemistry and what we call deposition. That is, how does mercury get from the air and from power plants into the food sources, into the ecosystem. And there's a lot of uncertainties, things that we don't understand yet in terms of the global mercury cycles.
It's really difficult to base policy on uncertain signs. So it's always nice to know what exactly is happening. Of course, we don't have enough time to wait and wait to make any policy decisions, but it's nice to have the science inform policy, and that's one of the reasons we are doing this, so we understand this process more.
We're focused on key scientific questions that allow us to link policy steps that we can take to what they actually do for the environment and ultimately people.